Are you excited? You've made it to Bangkok Airport, but now you might be wondering, how on earth am I going to get to the city centre? Well, it's really easy from the airport. Like if you're like us, you're going to take the airport rail link here. You need to head down to the basement floor. You actually arrive at Bangkok Airport on floor 2. Okay, that's where the international flights arrive. There are also, if you want to hire a car, there are loads of car rental places, exchange places, not just by the baggage reclaim, but when you come out as well. So if you're taking the airport rail link, you need to go to basement level. That opens at 5:30 in the morning. Level 1, if you want to take other forms of public transport, the bus. And level 3 is full of shops and restaurants. And level 4 is when you go home, you'll find all the departure flights. So we've actually arrived after midnight at Bangkok. So rather than pay a guest house tonight, because there's only a few hours and we didn't know if we get a late check-in for the kind of guest houses we're staying in, we're actually going to hang out at the airport and we're going to try and find some quiet spots to have a rest. So we're going to show you around. Hi, I'm Sarah.
Hi, I'm Olivier.
And we're Midlife Voyagers, sharing our backpacking experiences in our 50s. So we've heard about an observation deck at Bangkok Airport, but it's not on any signs anywhere. But we found it. It's at the back of the departures area, and you need to go to level 4 and head to the back, and you'll see there's an observation deck. You can go up by lift or escalator, and you need to go up to floor 7. Actually, if you do arrive early in the morning and it's open, it actually is a really quiet area. Come and see, all the staff seem to be up here on their break. So here we are in beautiful Thailand. If you want to carry on following our midlife backpacking adventures, because we've only just got started.
So don't forget to subscribe and push the thumb ups and ring the bell like that you're not going to miss any kind of video.
So bye for now and we'll see you soon.
Bye.